Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Leadzm 9000 BTU mini split AC/heating system with inverter. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 9000 BTU mini split air conditioner with inverter technology is perfect for cooling a room up to 750 square feet. Quickly cools down your rooms and spaces like bedrooms, living rooms, dens, offices, or apartment. This 19 SEER, 115 volt, 60 Hz, AHRI certified AC unit with a heat pump is featured high-quality compressor for more efficient cooling and longer working life. Higher SEER grade and eco-friendly design. Operating this DIY mini split AC is an easy understanding and enjoyable cooling experience, 61 degrees Fahrenheit to 88 degrees Fahrenheit. We can set all functions on remote control, fan speed selection, sleep mode, 24-hour timer, eco mode, turbo mode, and mute mode. Ultra silent at only 27 to 41 dBA, and beautifully built adds a touch of elegant charm to your room. Featured with 4-way swing function, unit provides sciatic airflow in your room to suit your comforts in just a few minutes. Best choice to decorate your home. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. And press the bell, select all and press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.